Hello everyone, let's see how to record ECG. So this is ECG, this is on off switch, okay, this is play pause button, here are 12 lead given, and here is X and Y axis calibration part and manual mode, and here the machine is having all the description how to place the electrodes. Now let's see how to place the electrodes. So basically there are 4 limb leads. As you can see, the green color coding is for left foot, and always there is written whether this is left foot or not. Here is LF is written, here is right F is RF is written. Basically right foot is not having electrode, this is for earthing purpose only. So this is left foot, right? Okay, and apart from this there is a red electrode on right limb, okay, and if you can see every electrode is having description where to put it. So you can see RA is written, okay. So this is for right arm, red for right arm and yellow for left arm. Don't go by color coding of this part. Color coding of this is more important, and you have always a written description. Apart from this, you have 6 chest leads: V1, V2, V1 and V2 at 4th intercostal space, 1 on right side and V2 on left side, and V4, V5 and V6. V4 is basically at 5th intercostal space. All 3 are at 5th intercostal space. V4 it at mid clavicular line. If you assume this is clavicle and you draw a line at mid clavicular, this is V4. V5 is at anterior axillary, okay, and V6 is at mid axillary line. So once you place all these, you have to place the V3 lead between V2 and V4. So this is V1 to V6, the chest lead placement. How to palpate the second rib? You have to palpate the jugular notch. Just below the jugular notch you have angle of Lewis, the flat portion, depressed portion, and which is basically corresponding to second rib origin. And you can palpate the second rib, then you go downward for the depression, then second intercostal space, then third rib and third intercostal space, fourth rib and fourth intercostal space. So this way you can palpate the ribs. So these are 6 chest leads and 4 limb leads, and these 10 electrodes are used to derive the 12 lead ECG. For example, if you are placing the right arm electrode, this is assuming that you are assuming the right shoulder, okay. Same for left one. So from right shoulder to left side, this is lead 1. From right shoulder to left leg, this is lead 2. From left shoulder to left leg, this is lead 3. Okay, so lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3, these are bipolar leads. So unipolar chest leads are giving in same way, and apart from this, augmented leads are derived based on these 3 leads of Enthoven triangle, or both the shoulder leads and left leg. Okay, so for example AVR is in right direction, AVR, this is positive, and rest 2 dimensions are collected through a resistance. If you want to go deep in this understanding, you can refer the video given below. Okay, so these are chest leads. So 10 electrodes are used to basically record 12 lead. Now let's see how to record in machine. So this is machine. You have to switch it on it with long press it, and we have to calibrate it. So this is let's see again. So this is, now you have to long press it, okay, and this is already fixed on 25 mm per second. Can you see 25 mm per second? And this you have to fix at 10 mm per millivolt, x axis, and this is y axis. So paper will move 25 mm per second, and each height of 10 mm gives you 1 millivolt. This you have to shift to manual mode, this one, and these are the electrodes whatever you want. So this is lead 1. This is fixed to lead 1. If you press the play button, you can see the machine will give a description that this is lead 1, and this will recording will start. You can pause it again. What you want is lead 2, okay, lead 2 recording, again play, and you can see there will be lead name lead 2, and a perfect this lead 2 is recording here, okay. This is a standard lead which we refer for all the calculation part. Since now this is lead 3 I am recording, and you can see lead 3 is recorded, okay. So we can again pause it, and we can shift to any lead, and we can record all the leads, which gives you 12 lead ECG recording. The calculation part is mostly done in lead 2 ECG. So you can get inverted QRS complex. There are many reasons for that. You can refer the linked video given below. So that's how you can record all the 12 lead ECG. For recording part, I'll provide you the video. You can see that. Thank you so much for watching. Happy learning.